Hello guys, today I was going to shoot a pre-wedding video, so I decided to give you some tips on how to shoot some cinematic wedding videos. I hope you enjoy watching this behind the scenes of my shoots. The first tip is to use a wider focal lenses like 24 or 35 for your wedding films, because by using 24 or 35, not only you emphasize on your subjects, but also you are consisting the environment in your shots, and in this way the viewer can better feel the moment and the storytelling aspect of your movie would be really better. Try to shoot in cloudy days or golden hour time. I always try to shoot my wedding films in cloudy days like this, or if it is very harsh sun, I try to shoot my videos for my wedding films before sunset or after the sunrise, which the light is so soft and it gives a dramatic and really dreamy feeling to your movies. Other than shooting plans from bride and groom together, shoot some plans separately from them. For example, their details, the necklaces and all the accessories for the details shots. Try to shoot in 120 frames per second or 60 frames per second. By setting your camera's frame rate to 120 or 60 frames, you can slow down the footage in the post, and in this way you have a much dreamier wedding video and it would be really nicer. Try to shoot in some flat picture profiles like HLG3 or S-Log2. For example, now I am shooting in HLG3 to have more room for color grading in the post, so you get a much better cinematic footage. Try to shoot some footage from the environment details, for example the flowers on the ground, so the viewers can better feel the moment and better see what is in the environment, and your shots become more cinematic in this way. And for the last tip, record the real moment, guys. This is a wedding film and it's not a Hollywood movie. We do not have a script. Let the bride and groom be themselves, let them be free, they laugh and they run, and you record the real moments. This is what makes the wedding films very beautiful and cinematic. Guys, I hope you like these 7 tips, and if you like them, please do not forget to hit that like button. And if you are interested in photography tutorials, videography tutorials, behind the scenes of photography, or anything else which is related to the photography and videography world, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye.